मैं आपको एक प्रॉमिस करना चाहता हूं कि रोहित शर्मा की कप्तानी में 2024 में बारबाडोस में हम जरूर भारत का झंडा गाड़ेंगे।
जय शाह का ये स्टेटमेंट तो आपको याद होगा, जो एक्चुअली में सच हुआ when India won the T20 World Cup after 17 years.
ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup Champion 2024.
And now Jay Shah has become the youngest ever chairman of ICC at just 35. And he was elected unopposed, being the sole nominee for the role. So people are really wondering, कि इतने कम उम्र में वो ICC के chairman कैसे बने? So we thought, let's take a look at his journey. Hey, I'm Janvi, this is चर्चा जारी है और आज हम बात करेंगे जय शाह की पूरी journey की which spans over 15 years. Let's look at his journey that started in 2009 as a state level administrator. Then went on to become the BCCI secretary in 2019. His key contributions in making Indian cricket a global powerhouse, and finally how his leadership is going to take international cricket forward. Before we start, here's one thing to note. जय शाह को ICC बोर्ड के 16 मेंबर्स में से 15 लोगों का सपोर्ट मिला। ऐसा पहले कभी नहीं हुआ। ICC का चेयरमैन बनना मतलब वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट का बॉस बनना। But did you know that Jay Shah was not the first Indian to become this chairman? जगमोहन दालमिया, शरद पवार, एन श्रीनिवासन और शशांक मनोहर जैसे बड़े पर्सनालिटीज ICC के हेड रह चुके हैं। लेकिन जय शाह की कहानी कुछ अलग है। क्यों अलग है? चलिए उनकी जर्नी डिटेल में देखते हैं। तो जय शाह की एंट्री क्रिकेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में पहली बार 2009 में हुई when he started working with CBCA at the district level. He then went on to work at the state level as an executive with GCA, eventually becoming its joint secretary in 2013. At the GCA उन्होंने structured age group coaching system शुरू किया जिससे domestic cricketers को senior level खेलने की proper training मिल सके. This turned out to be a really good move as Gujarat won the Ranji Trophy in 16-17. Another one of his big moves was the construction of world's largest cricket stadium, the Narendra Modi Stadium, which was previously called the Motera Stadium. Jay Shah led this ambitious project when his father Amit Shah was the state unit president at that time. Jay Shah's career took a huge turn in 2019 when he became the BCCI secretary at the age of 31. Dude, I'm also almost 31. सबसे पहले Jay Shah played a key role in the inclusion of cricket in the 2028 LA Olympics. This was a bold move because a lot of BCCI leaders were extremely against it because they thought probably operationally challenging होगा ये. Next, उन्होंने एक नई National Cricket Academy बनाई बैंगलोर में, which has got state-of-the-art facilities for cricketers. This NCA will also be open for Olympic athletes like Neeraj Chopra. But this is not his biggest achievement till date. Keep watching this video to know what it is. Most of us have been watching T20 since it started. And we've forgotten the oldest format of cricket, which is Test cricket. But Jay Shah ने इसको पहले से support किया है. To promote this format, he introduced 10 Test seasons. इसमें अगर players 75% से ज़्यादा Test match खेलते हैं, तो उनको bonuses मिलते हैं. COVID was a huge challenge for Jay Shah and BCCI because pandemic के कारण global sports were at a standstill. पर BCCI ने क्रिकेट को रुकने नहीं दिया. उन्होंने कई इंटरनेशनल सीरीज करवाई, 2 IPL सीजन्स बायो बबल में करवाए और फिर 2021 का T20 वर्ल्ड कप UAE में करवाया, जिसमें होस्टिंग राइट्स BCCI के पास रखे. Did you know that IPL के मीडिया राइट्स 49,000 crores में बिके? This is a record-breaking deal. Because of this, IPL became the second richest league, which is just behind USA's NFL. और सिर्फ IPL ही नहीं, BCCI के bilateral matches की रेवेन्यू भी बढ़ गई, with each international match earning around 68 crores. And now Jay Shah's biggest achievement till date, women's cricket. He launched Women's Premier League, which is WPL. And इसके teams approximately 4,600 crores में बिके, which is a record in women's cricket. In fact, what's bigger is that he introduced equal match fees in women's cricket as well. That means women players and male players would get equal match fees. Jay Shah की BCCI tenure ended with India winning the T20 World Cup. And now is the biggest decision maker in the cricketing world. पर आपको क्या लगता है? Is he the right choice for this? Let us know in the comment section what you think. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe to this channel जहाँ चर्चा जारी है.